Alright guys, here's part 2, or what Mr. Marty calls the angsty section of the song, because, I mean, you'll understand. And I'll admit, I wasn't in a great mood when I wrote this part, but I really had already intended on making like a kind of crunchy, darker section to this piece. And this is way easier, so hopefully I will not embarrass myself as much while trying to teach you this part. So your left hand, we just finished with that. And your left hand just did 6 beautiful little. And the good news is your left hand is going to stay there for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16, 32 beats. And I really don't expect you to count it. I expect you to just kind of follow what your right hand's doing to kind of hear how it all fits. So there's always going to be like 6 of these though in between your little sections. So you just finished, you know, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then your right hand starts. And your right hand is going to be doing some weird stuff. So it's going to start on D. So that rhythm there is like T, ticka, T, 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 ticka, 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 ta. And I know that was also like a lot. You're probably thinking, what? So it was like 3 here, then 2 on C, 3 again on D, and then C, C, A, C, D. While your left hand just crunches over there. But what's hard about it is your left hand staying steady, and your right hand is not going to be steady during that. So you kind of got to be able to line them up together. Oh, that was 8 times actually in your left hand, so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's almost the exact same time the second, except you're going to do F, F, E, D, C, D. So that's the first half of this. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then it's going to move up, and you're going to be on E and F up here. And you're kind of doing the exact same thing. And you're going to repeat that 1, 2, 3 times. So it's 3 on F, 1, 2, 3, then 3 on G, 4 on F, 2 on G, F. Kind of weird. And your left hand is still crunching. Except now it's crunching on E and F. So you've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're going to do 2 in a row without that break because it's supposed to get like, the intensity is supposed to just get like a lot more. It's supposed to get louder. It's supposed to just get like, the audience would be listening to it like, like give our ears a break. We hate this. Clearly, I was angsty when I wrote it because I was like, oh yes, the audience will hate this spot. Ha ha ha. So you're starting and you got 1, 2, 3, 5. So you kind of heard how your right hand, it just keeps going the second time. Do it again. And then just to make it really loud and gross, then you're going to have 8 beats, not 8 beats, 8 hits, 4 beats of just going F, G, F, G, F, while your left hand does this. 3, gonna do a lovely, nasty roll on those notes. And then it's gonna chill out. It's like you were super angry, but then you realize that maybe you were kind of being ridiculous about your anger, and now you're a little embarrassed, so you're gonna back away, but you're still a little angry. So this whole weird angsty section is supposed to get louder, more aggressive. It's not pretty at all, where like the rest of the song is supposed to be pretty, and I did that on purpose. So at the beginning of it, you've got that. So it's kind of quiet. You're not really sure where it's going yet. And now you're like, okay, I'm pretty sure this is a not pretty sounding song. And then you're gonna be going back into part one. So it does get faster. You heard me speed up, especially the speed really picks up when you start repeating that stuff. And I do want to hear that. I want to hear that large crescendo, and I want to hear that speeding up. That way there's a huge contrast from, you know, this to going back into part one.